Good morning. Today I'm going to create a video that shows you how to cite a YouTube video that you used for research for your project. YouTube is a great platform with a lot of really great informational videos, and if you're already a fan and you're already hanging out there a lot, then it's a great way to get more information for your topic. So I'm going to click Create New Citation. When I'm in my project, make sure you're in the right project. Click Create New Citation. Where did I find it? I found it on a website. I was using that computer. Now there are two here that you might be unsure of which one to use. We have film or video recording. That's for something like Netflix or Amazon Video or another streaming service. This one, video clip, is for YouTube because we think it's usually shorter, although YouTube does have longer things. Mostly we're thinking these are like 5 to 10 minute videos. So we click video clip online. So website, I'm going to go up here. This is the video I'm going to use. The Western honeybee, how do bees make honey? So I'm going to copy and paste the URL, which begins with the HTTP, Command C. Go to your NoodleTools, Command V, paste it in. Date of publication. That means what day was this uploaded? Published on March 28th, 2016. You see that down here? March 28, 2016. March 28th. 2016. Most recent date of access today. Just click today. Title of video clip. How do bees make honey? Question mark. Remember to include that question mark. How do bees make honey? Question mark. So video clip online on a site like YouTube with user contributed videos. Yes. Name of site. YouTube. Okay. Posted by. That's how you know you're in the right format, because it's posted by, there's not like a director and a producer and actors, but posted by, it's okay to be smart. Group. So since it's not a first name and a last name, I jump right to where it says group. It's okay to be smart. Okay, and then I click save. Ta-da! Now it'll say video clip online. Make sure it says the right thing there that matches what you were looking at. Like if you did this and all of a sudden it said book there, I'd be like, wait, that wasn't a book. That was a YouTube clip. Okay? So you want to use that to upload a YouTube video. All right, thanks for watching.